Hello and welcome. I'm joined today by my special guest, Lauren Eustace from Pexip. Lauren, I understand that Pexip has a new Infinity, or as we call it, PrivateConnect release, version 38. And a key component to that release is SIP-to-SIP calling without transcoding. So how does that benefit and what's the use case look like?
Exactly, yeah, thanks for having me, excited to be here. So the V38 release that we're talking about today was around SIP media forwarding. And so historically, we were having to transcode those calls from each participant. Now, when taking out the SIP media forwarding, we're able to reduce the compute needed for all of these calls, which means significant cost savings for your customers, making it easier for them to operate and run this platform. And this is also something Clarity did historically. So super excited to be able to allow those customers to easily transition to Pexip Infinity, or as we talk today about PrivateConnect, and how they can join and leverage this new scalable platform.
Great, so lower cost for the customer, and that's always beneficial for everyone.
Yeah, we like that.
Great. So a big feature that we used to have on Clarity was personal layouts. So I understand you've implemented this in V38.
Yes, another new feature was the ability for your customers and your users to have personal layouts, super vital for the transition of our solution from Clarity to PrivateConnect. So excited to be able to offer that.
And secure meetings?
Yes, I mean, V38 builds upon all of our existing secure meetings baseline. One of those new features was adding classification labels to gateway calls. So we've historically had classification labels for Pexip hosted meetings. Now adding that to gateway calls, think of it as like an email system to allow like clear, consistent ways to show sensitivity and context, which, because we're talking about secure meetings, is always of the utmost importance.
Yes, I know some of our largest, especially international customers, are needing that for security levels to ensure that only private conversations are held, and so alerting folks. One other thing I think we were talking about was international language support. Was it right to left?
Correct. This is also part of that V38 response or new feature set, which is what we're always looking for as an international company, being able to be inclusive and support all languages supported throughout the globe.
Well, that's great. So to learn more about each of these features, we encourage you to read the blog linked below. Thank you.
V38 is out today. It is out now. So you don't have to wait. Go right ahead and update everything and download that new version.
Perfect.